Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my ginger beer drink. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Also, you want to follow me on Instagram, it's Kali Kitchen _1. Also, you want to follow my business page, it's Accessories by Lims. Once again, guys, remember to subscribe, remember to like, share and comment, and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen. So here I have some brown sugar. I also have my ginger lime juice. Of course, I have my blender, and I also have some water. So first thing what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to give my ginger some rough chops. As I said before in an earlier video when I was making the mango and also when I was making the fresh coconut milk, I told you all that my blender can manage large chunks of food, so we don't need to cut them up small. We just need to give them some rough chops. And as you can see, I'm doing just that. Alright guys, so I'm not sure how many of you, your grandma, your mother, your father used to make ginger beer drink. This is basically the best homemade ginger beer drink because, you know, most companies, they might put something in their ginger beer, but you know exactly what you are putting in yours when you make it at home all by yourself. As you can see, you don't need much ingredients to make your ginger beer drink. So once again, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen. Also follow me on Facebook, Kali J's Kitchen. Also on Instagram, it's Kali Kitchen _1. And I'm gonna do some more drink recipe for you guys. And also I'm gonna still do some cooking, but I'm just gonna do a lot more of these drink recipe. So now as you can see, I'm finished blending my ginger, and when I look, I realized that I had a lot of ginger, so I'm just gonna do them in two separate parts. I'm just gonna blend half first, then I'm gonna blend the other half. Of course, you want to ensure that you add enough water. You don't want to pour too much water in your blender with your ginger, just enough. And I'm also gonna go ahead and blend this. Now you want to ensure that your ginger is properly blended out. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to blend this for roughly 3 to 5 minutes. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like once I'm finished blending. So for the other half of the ginger, I'm just going to blend that. I might blend it off camera as well. I might blend it on camera. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and strain this. You want to always ensure that you strain your ginger beer, your ginger, after you finish blending, because you want to ensure that you remove the any excess trash from the ginger that you blend. You don't want to drink your ginger beer and taste the ginger trash in it. No, you just want to get that smoothness. And guys, if you don't have a wooden spoon, go ahead and use your hand to just squeeze out the excess juice from the ginger. Alright, so once I'm finished squeezing out all of the juice from the ginger, it's time to go ahead and start sweetening my ginger beer. Of course, we're not going to over sweeten our ginger beer. We're just going to add enough sugar. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like after I get all of the juice from the ginger. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add some lime juice, of course. And also I'm going to add the brown sugar. Alright guys, just a note. When you add the brown sugar, always taste. Because some people might like their ginger beer a little bit sweet, some don't like the sweetness. Always ensure that you taste your juice, whichever juice you're making. Always ensure that you taste, just to ensure that it is the right consistency. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna mix this, then I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna show you the final product. Once again guys, remember to subscribe. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my ginger beer drink. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try this recipe, and I hope you tell your friends and tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen. Guys, see you tomorrow with another video. Remember to follow me on Facebook. It's Callie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram. It's CallieKitchen_1. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.